So just taking a quick look at XRP then, as you can see on the daily time frame. Thanks for joining me as always. Like and subscribe and leave a comment and all that good stuff. You can see coming down, double bottom back test into this trend line support we've been holding for years and years and years now. Obviously a fairly decent rollover recently with Bitcoin losing its range. Coming down for a lovely back test though, and Bitcoin bouncing today, so we're seeing XRP bouncing as well, potentially putting in this W double bottom pattern. You can see here 2 bounces at this support, and now looking like we might be putting in some green candles coming back up into this big coil that continues to coil for XRP. You can see very clearly on the charts here. We've just been going up and down and sideways within this coil. We're getting towards the apex of things now though. I'd say by the end of this year we're going to be making a decision about XRP, if it's going to absolutely moon or if it's just going to continue to chop sideways and slowly die. Interesting to see what will happen next. Obviously I think, in my personal opinion, we're going to see some fireworks with the SEC case this year being finally finalised, but right now XRP doing what it needs to do, just chopping sideways. To me, it looks like it's actually doing it completely fine, just coming down, back testing into this previous area of structure again. You see we've bounced here many times over the past year or so. So right now just following the market, waiting for Bitcoin to move to the upside, but right now just waiting for that SEC lawsuit.